Big day for Shiba Inu as two events set to take off. We're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys so much. And if you want to show your support, smash the like button for me. Just absolutely annihilate that thing. Not enough people hit the like button. You know, did you know that only 10% of people who watch the video hit the like button? Let's show YouTube something different. Let's make 100% of the people who watch this smash the like button because we've got some cool news. We're going to dive into it in this one, guys. Lucy over on Twitter reminds us that we've got some big things coming. A community here in Shiba Inu is excited about what's happening with Tangem. Of course, they are the Swiss-based blockchain firm building out the Shiba Inu-themed cold wallet, okay? And the Shib dev team is in collaboration with Tangem here. And there is an AMA today, scheduled for Monday, May 29th. The pre-order for the Shib wallet was also announced to kick off on May 29th, as reported. The official Shiba Inu Twitter account informed the Shib community in a recent update that pre-orders for the Shib-themed wallet would begin on that day. Now, Lucy, Mazriel, and the Tangem team will all participate in the AMA that Tangem and Shib are hosting. A presentation on the Shib hardware wallet will be featured during the AMA, so if you're interested in perhaps getting one of these hardware wallets, make sure you tune into this. In addition to releasing the campaign roadmap, Tangem says it will also respond to user inquiries as well. Also, a special offer announcement will be made on the pre-order at the AMA, and I believe if we go over to Lucy's Twitter, she's already talking about the big event that is coming here today. There it is right there. She's sharing the article that we're talking about right now, and this is it right here, guys. Today at 10 a.m. Eastern, so it's coming up as I'm releasing this video, guys. Do not miss it. Don't miss out the presentation with Tangem and Shib's hardware wallet, going to release the campaign roadmap and answer all questions. Now, that's one piece of news, but according to Shib Burn, we've also had some burns happening in the past 24 hours. That is good to see. Shiba Inu is experiencing a noticeable increase in network activity as well, as it just experienced the highest number of daily new addresses in 3 months. That is really solid to see. Crypto analyst Ali reports that over 2,500 new Shib addresses were created on May 26th alone. That is bullish, and it shows us that even amid this bear market, even amid the downturn in the cryptocurrency market, Shib continues to add to its ecosystem, add holders. The price of Shib has actually been on a little bit of an uptick since the beginning of this morning. We came up from the 8.7. We're currently sitting at the 8.8. Our local high yesterday, we got all the way up to about the 8.9 level before we retraced. And we'll see if we can get back up there. We actually hit it up there 3 different times yesterday. We're on the 5-minute view there. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see what I mean here. Actually hit it a couple different times. Trying to break through this resistance right now, actually, as we speak. That'd be nice. Maybe break back into the 9s here momentarily like we did back on Tuesday last week where we got into the 9.1 range. We'll be keeping tabs on it for you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Again, smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy your holiday weekend, especially if you're in the States. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.